Hello students, welcome to class 11. Today we are going to continue with the equation of straight line chapter, and today we are going to revise of the class 10 concepts, and after that slowly we will proceed towards the new sections which are exclusively included in class 11. So see, here we are starting with a sum. Just you people have learned and given class 10 same sums, so I hope you will be easily able to understand the things. So the question is, find the equation of the line passing through the point 2 comma minus 3 and having its slope 5 by 4 is the question. Now students, it is given in the question the slope is 5 by 4 and the point through which the line is passing is 2 comma minus 3. So this is a line and it is passing through a point which is given as 2 comma minus 3. So for the equation of the line which is passing through a point and having slope is, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1 is the formula for the equation of the line. So in the formula you substitute the value of the point which is x1 y1 and the value of slope, you will get the required answer. So y minus, see y1, the y1 is minus 3, so you are putting the value minus 3 over here, is equal to m which is slope, which is given 5 by 4 in the question. So 5 by 4 and in the bracket x minus x1 which is 2. This is x1 and this is y1, and substituting the value in the equation. Now after this you can do cross multiplication. You do cross multiplication, or you can multiply, or you can do LCM, whatever you want, but cross multiplication is the easy technique. You bring this 4 there, so we multiply this y plus 3 with 4, and in this side you are having 5 into x minus 2. Now you open the bracket, 4y plus 12 is equal to 5 into x, 5x plus minus 5 into 2 is 10. Now you bring everything on the one side, or you can bring x and y in one side and the constant on the other side. See, here it is 5x, you send the 4y there, so this will become 5x minus 4y, and you send this minus 10 there, so it will become plus 10. So 12 plus 10 will give you 22, and here 5x minus 4y. So 5x minus 4y is equal to 22 is a required equation of the line. Now see the next question. It is said, find the equation of the line which is passing through points minus 1 comma minus 2 and minus 5 comma 2. So this is the second question. Now 2 points are given, right? 2 points are given, and when 2 points are given, the formula to find the slope is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula to calculate the slope, you have already learned. So this is x1 y1, the first point, and this is x2 y2, the second point. So put the value in this formula of slope, you will get 2 minus, because y2 is 2, so 2 minus y1 is minus 2, so minus 2 by x2 minus x1. So what is x2? Your x2 is minus 5 minus x1. What is x1? Minus 1. So minus of minus 1. So when you will open the bracket, minus this will become plus, so 2 plus 2 will give you 4. And here when you will open the bracket, minus plus, minus 5 plus 1 will give you minus 4. So 4 by minus 4 you will cancel, and you will get as minus 1 as the slope from this 2 point. Now the equation of the line is the formula, required equation of the line. We have already got the slope. The formula is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So this is the formula. Now you can mug up this formula in class 11 directly. So your new formula will be y minus y1 equal to m. Now in place of m, you write this formula directly, which is m, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You can write directly over here. and in the points of x1, y1 you substitute the value. Clear? Or you can calculate the slope early and then you can substitute whatever you want. So now substituting the value in the required equation, y minus, in place of y1 it is minus 2, it is given in the question, see y1 is minus 2, equal to m, which is slope, which we have calculated, minus 1. So minus 1 in the bracket x minus x1. Now what is x1? x1 is again minus 1, it is given. So put, now open the bracket, this will become minus minus plus, so y plus 2 is equal to minus 1, and you will open the bracket minus minus, this will become plus 1, so x plus 1. Now you open the bracket, plus into minus will give you minus x, plus into minus will give you 1 into 1 minus 1. Now you bring everything on the one side, you send this x there, so it will become plus x. Y is already there, 2 is already there, and you send this minus 1 there, so plus 2, and this minus 1 will come and become plus 1, so 2 plus 1 will give you 3. So x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the line from the 2 points. Now see, next question, the equation, find the equation of the straight line is given as 3x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now they are asking to calculate, find the gradient, number 2 the inclination of the line, and number 3 the y-intercept. Now students, see the question given is 3x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the question is given. Now your main target is to arrange in y equal to mx plus c format. So y equal to mx plus c format we need, means in one side we need y. So this minus 3y you send there on the right hand side. So this minus 3y will go over there and it will become plus 3y. So 3y equal to, you will get 3x minus 7. So 3y equal to 3x minus 7. So your y will be, you divide this 3 to both the terms, or you can divide whole by 3 and you can split it. But since we need in y mx plus c format individual terms, so divide by 3 throughout, means split it separately, you divide. So this will be better. So by dividing this, see this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. You will be left with y equal to x minus 7 by 3, right? Now this expression we can write as y equal, we need y equal to mx plus c, right? So in the middle we need a plus sign. So you can easily introduce plus sign, no big deal. And you can write this 7 by 3 as minus 7 by 3 in the bracket, because plus minus will give you minus only. By writing like this, you can easily able to compare with the general equation, and by comparing the coefficient of x, that is m, is a slope. So here the coefficient of x, that is the slope, is how much? 1. So by comparing with this general equation, m equal to 1, so we are getting m equal to 1, which is the slope of the line or the gradient, same thing. Now they are asking you to calculate the inclination. So let the angle inclination be theta. Now we know again m, that is slope, is equal to tan theta. Another formula of slope is tan theta when inclination or angle is given, right? So m equal to tan theta is the formula. Now m is 1, we have already calculated, put here, is equal to tan theta. Now for what value of tan it gives you 1? So tan 40, because in the right hand side there is tan na, so you have to think in terms of tan, so that tan you can compare and you can get the value of theta. So what value of tan gives you 1? So tan 45 gives you 1. So tan 45 is equal to tan theta. By comparing tan, you can get your theta equal to 45 degree. This is the inclination, right? And the last part, y-intercept. Now what is y-intercept? This portion, that is y equal to mx plus c. This c is called the y-intercept. By comparing this equation with the general equation, we are getting c equal to how much? Minus 7 by 3. So minus 7 by 3 is the y-intercept of this line. So students, I hope you have understood this already. These sums you are aware in class 10. So keep studying. Thanks for watching. This is Shagnik sir.